Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mrs. Som. Today I am going to show you the preparation of homemade chocolates. For this we require dark compound, milk compound and white compound. In a bowl I have taken 150 grams of dark compound and 150 grams of milk compound. Now I am going to melt this in a double boiling method. You can also melt this in a microwave for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Once the chocolate melts completely, switch off the flame and temper the chocolate nicely to get very shiny chocolate. Let's begin with butterscotch chocolates. Mix some butterscotch nuts into the melted chocolate and pour into the mold. The preparation of these butterscotch nuts I have shown in my previous video. If you want, you can check it out. Once the filling is completed, gently tap the mold and refrigerate for 5 minutes. Next preparation is hazelnut chocolates. I have taken some melted white chocolate in a piping bag to decorate the mold. Now refrigerate this for 2 minutes. Now gently pour the melted chocolate in the molds and place the roasted hazelnut in it. In the rest of the mold, I place some roasted almonds. Now gently tap the mold and refrigerate for 5 minutes. And next preparation is almond cashew chocolates. Place some almonds in a melted chocolate. Gently tap with a fork and place it on a butter paper. Repeat the same process with cashews. Now refrigerate these almonds and cashews for 5 minutes. Next preparation is gems chocolates. Fill all the molds with melted chocolate and place the gems in it. Tap this and refrigerate for 5 minutes. Next preparation is crunchy peanut chocolates. Take peanut chickies in a Ziploc bag and crush it out with the roller pin. Pour this crushed peanut mixture into the melted chocolate and fill it in the molds. Tap this and refrigerate for 5 minutes. Next preparation is yummy Oreo chocolates. Mix this crushed Oreo mixture into the melted white chocolate and fill it in the mold. Tap this and refrigerate for 5 minutes. And the next preparation is chocolate chip chocolates. Now decorate the mold with some melted chocolate and refrigerate for 2 minutes. Fill the mold with white chocolate and add choco chips to it. Gently tap the mold and refrigerate for 5 minutes. And the next preparation is chocolate nutty rocks. To this leftover melted chocolate, I added almonds, hazelnuts, cashews, some kismis and some crackles, some choco chip. Mix it all together and place as a rocks on the butter paper. Now decorate this with some white melted chocolate and refrigerate for 5 minutes. I have some leftover white chocolate. To this I am going to add some crushed gems as well as some gems and place as a rocks on the butter paper and refrigerate for 5 minutes. Now it's time to demold all the chocolates. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. From where you can buy all these chocolate materials, I have given few addresses in my description box below. If you want, you can check it out. Total, I used 500 grams of chocolate to make these chocolates. You can pack these chocolates in 2 types as I shown. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.